You gotta walk up to where? The red one?
Uh-huh. Come here.
I don't think they're gonna come. I don't think they're gonna come to you. The parrots. They got parrots too? Oh, for real? Where they at? In here?
Over there by the on the other side.
Well, no, I didn't know we could come in. I thought you could just look in.
So we leave when it closed.
There's a one right there.
I mean, yeah, it's gonna be about. Matter of fact.
They don't look all that pink to me.
Matter of fact, that's how long it's been.
My favorite is the Japanese honeysuckle. I love it. But
and see, I have some honeysuckle.
But I would love for that to be on my backpack. What
I like this because I don't have to stop to really get some. Darn, look at these little jokers. This joker head bigger than anything on this body. Look at that big head joker. Hey there, little guy. You got a tag on you, boy. They'll track you no matter. Darn, look at that one. How many legs he got? Just one? But what is leg? He holding it up?
South America.
Where's the other leg at? Is he holding it up?
CJ, come here for me.
Where's the other leg at? What, he sleeping like that?
Is he holding it up? You see the
Where's the other leg at though? Why is he doing that like that then? It look like bamboo coming up in that thing right there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
That is crazy. That is crazy. Alright, this is what they got in there. This is what they got in there.
They don't gotta lock them up, just keep a roof on them.
South America. This South America. Oh, you can go in there too?
Yeah.
What's in there?
All they gotta do is just keep a roof on them. They'll be safe if it's a gate. Make sure it's...
And them carpenter bees there. Oh, wow. I guess I'll keep it like that for a time. I need a room. Damn, look at that joker. That joker right there. I didn't even know he was over there. Where the toucan at?
On the other side.
I didn't know that guy was right there. Look at it. That joker, boy. Oh, wait. There's another one down there. They got a big thing and a daggone house, bro. I reckon they can fly out and get. He can fly out and get me. No, he can't get out.
He over this way with the crane.
What? Oh, the toucan. The toucan. I don't know what these is. These are. That's a solid. That's a stork. That's the one that bring the babies. They say any doggone one. It's stank. And what are these right here? They don't got rid of that with them. Huh? What? The toucan?
The red-legged.
Oh.
Toucan back down there with the cranes and stuff at.
Where he at? Oh, wow.
He was all the way back there.
He got down that thing. He got on the box right there.
I was looking for. I thought he was in the house. Took me a minute to find him. Oh, Mommy. There's another one back there in the back too.
Oh, that's the ones we was looking at from the front that time. Damn, they got some clean water. This is a nice park. Oh, and he got a Broden. He got the thing, the light, the Broden. Oh, that's the flying. I think, nah. Where's the white one right there though? No, that's not the flying steamer duck. And the heart, the left. That one there.
No, I said I thought all of this was the same.
He right there behind you. See him right there on the ground. That joker is big. But these white ones right here.
The
What
way
are
they got
these?
it looking, it look like one big thing, you know.
But I'm saying, what are these white ones? I don't see them. I don't see them up there. No, unless they got big and they just don't.
Okay, so what's the name?
Cause that one look like the other one, the flying
Maybe the
steamer.
slide thing came out. Cause you see where they probably got. Maybe that came out. You never know.
Damn, they said that joker is very rough. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. I know what I did now. I just gotta center it back. Then it'll always return. I got it. I got him now. I'm getting better. I'm getting better and better with it. Said I need a roof over my head and I need bread. Huh?
I'm trying to teach you about the bird.
Oh.
The bird's free and here we go.
Damn.
Look up.
What's that?
People not escape. They got a roof. They not locked up. They flying around in here. I saw them flying around.
Yeah, but you imagine if you was a bird and how far you could go. Yeah, they locked up, believe me. And they probably won't live as long as they would in a natural. Damn, look at those, yo. They are so beautiful. I know they're like, what's happened? Then some ain't even from here. Nah, cause them whales, they'll start killing people out the water. Cause they're not in there. John, look at the what you call them, sweet? The keels, the fish.
Oh, I ain't even see them.
Keels, I think. They might not be real.
Yes, they is. They moving.
I'm talking about like
Oh,
real
the real,
keels, cause they're expensive. Well, some of them are.
I love that thing. I love it. One of my favorites. Yes, ma'am.
Smell good too.
Yeah, them fish real. They got a tree out here to go with it.
Oh yeah, I know they real. I'm talking about is they real keel. I mean, like the expensive ones. I think that it's just.
Ones. I know what
I think it's just certain kind that they do the collar that they're worth a whole lot of money. Damn, they got a plumbing pipe out here. I got it now. I know what I was doing wrong now. Huh? I know what I was doing wrong now. I didn't have that joker centered. And bow white quail. American oyster catcher. Wow. Kill deer. It's a kill deer. Damn, they got a whistling duck. Yeah, I'm gonna get used to this thing. I know what I did. I think I gotta get it back to the center. And then it'll be fine. I didn't mean to do that.
Look at him.
Where?
Come on, green
That one right there. He is pretty too, ain't he? Man, I'm getting some good footage. So I said, I didn't know you could come in here. Look at these little skinny legs. Ghetto back there, I can tell, boy. You done got to the. Look at this guy here. They got a whole thing of food in there. You see that? Look at this good guy here, boy. Look at his mouth. They been smoking weed today, boy. Alright, that was mine, man. I got my thing. What is this? It? Or we...
I'm just sitting here looking.
I gotta get footage. I gotta get footage. I gotta get some footage for my battery go. He said, I need a room. Oh, my mind, and I need your heat. Oh, man, did we see those? Dang, that's Japanese too, ain't it? Dang. You see what they said? Caution, birds will bite. Dang, look at that guy there. What is he eating? Oh, he trying to get some worms. Whatever the case may be. Dang, how did he get? How did he? Hold up. How did he get in there, yo? He's out. Oh, he came off that side. Man, they just said caution, birds will bite. Then you got one walking around in here like he owned the place. Look at this him. I ain't worried about the little guy there. Oh, he went right through the gate. Man, they got some swans, like swans back there. Let me see what's on the thing. Yeah, that's a swan. Darn, they got a goose in there, crane. Yeah, that's what they got in there. Let me get the boom. Thank you, Miss Wonderful. Darn, look at that guy. Damn, who is that? They look so peaceful, man. But I know they will bite you. Cause I seen the sign up there. So, you know, I'm gonna take their word for it. Damn, look at the little guy. The little guy there, boy. Damn, they ain't slick, boy. Look like they got a haircut and everything today. I'm telling you, they clean, boy. They is clean. Who be cutting y'all hair, man? Who did your makeup this morning? Damn, y'all ain't clean. There you so.
No, don't, not here.
What? What TJ gonna do?
No feeding. No feeding.
Oh,
no
yeah.
feeding here.
Yeah, 'cause they got their own food. See you later, guys. Yeah, don't stay up too late tonight. Might have work in the morning. You ain't got no who? Damn, look how big this guy head. Why does this guy head so big? I mean, lighten up, guy. You doing too much thinking. Turn, look at his head. I think it's just fur. Look at that nigga head, yo. Word up. Man, they got like a little water thing, something. You gotta try to make it. And they got a Christmas tree and everything. And this is a nice size. You know, I didn't even think it was this big. So what is this? You must like the whistle, huh?
Yeah, I gotta go. Y'all ain't gonna be trying to run behind me. I'll be back next time.
Mommy, look. Look at you, son. Look at you.
Damn, that's another swan.
You.
Damn, look at her.
Beautiful.
What's the name of the movie? What is it, Black Swan? Have you ever seen that? That's a good movie. It's been a while since I seen it too, but I remember it was kind of good. That is I don't know. They said it's a mute swan. A bar-headed goose. And a mute swan. A west. Look at that, man. Just Brutimus. How he floats up there. I swear they must do their hair every day or their fur, I mean, or feathers or whatever. Everything clean. Man, this is dope, yo. Look at the little waterfall they got. Oh, man, I tell you that.
Breathe underwater.
Nah.
Probably a little bit longer than we can.
Nah, he can't, cause he ain't got gills.
They just go up on there and come on back up.
Yeah, they can't breathe up on there.
Well, ducks can hold their breath underwater for 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Huh?
I was just wondering if y'all knew.
You testing our knowledge, huh? I hear you, TJ. Good one, man. Hey, I gotta give it to you. Damn, look at this guy, man. I told these guys, I don't know where they go get their hair done at, but these, damn, he's dope, yo. See, that's what okay, it's probably funded by people because it's a Duke injury. I'll read that thing and see if it's just state or federally funded. Darn, Eurasia. This is dope. It's gonna make it good. Guy got a spooky haircut. Is he gonna get some water or something? Okay. That's what we got in there. Okay. Keep it moving. A little bit of stuff on this. Damn, I don't know. Do they got a copper roof on that thing? Damn, that thing go all the way back. Damn, man. Damn.
Close to the stands and
This is amazing park. Eurasia Eagle Owl. So he from Europe or somewhere?
Like,
Yep, Europe and Asia. Eurasia.
It's a mini spider up here.
It's okay. We live in
Yeah, I know. I'm looking.
Yeah, okay, see, this is the Puffin Foundation. Which, see, these people sponsor this, so it's got to be state. It's got to be state owned.
was two in there.
For owl?
This is weird, man.
There's two
I mean,
in
the
there,
roof
Mommy.
on
Look
this
down
thing.
there.
Oh, I was looking for them. Okay, thank you.
And they just bolted it together. The roof it ain't got no
I ain't never seen them down like this.
it don't really got no frame to it. The panels are just bolted together. It's a neat roof. Hold on the other way, girl.
Hey,
It's a neat roof.
you sleep, man, or you woke? I don't know.
Where's he at?
His eyes
Down
look
here.
like his.
But he moved his head like he looking at me. Like
Oh,
he looking directly
man,
at
look
me.
at this
Like
guy.
he's squinting like.
Yeah, is you woke or you sleep,
Yeah,
man? Man, is
Nah,
you
he
woke?
like he sleep. His eyes closed. That is crazy. Man, yeah, no, you wouldn't want it. If you was a bird, you wouldn't want to be in no type of cage. That's why they said, I know why the caged bird sing.
That's why the peacock.
Because he caged. Sitting there, area. Yeah, so you got to get a thing like that. Sweets. You got to get a thing to do your waterfall. And you put a pump in there and to pump the water back up to the top and it'll come out and make it like a waterfall.
There they go, TJ. They look like they're in the house too.
So that thing go all the way back there or that's something else?
Just something else.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
they in
is
the
neat,
house.
yo.
Let's go one.
What? The peacock? Like a peacock got your style.
Hey, TJ.
I wonder how you get them to open up.
Well, sure. It got to be making time for them to open.
Oh, wow.
I think the first time, well, I think it was in September I came my first time. They was open my first time here.
Over here.
What's that?
Over here.
What is it? Dang! What in the world is that? That is crazy.
Look what TJ said about him.
What?
It's right here.
You said what TJ said about him?
Yeah. What you said about him, TJ?
That's a risen bird.
They who?
A risen bird.
A vision?
Yeah.
Look at that guy, boy. That the hell long as I don't know what.
She come in there with me, Mama?
Yeah, I'm coming in.
What is a turtle in there?
Huh?
What'd you say? It's a turtle?
That's what the toucan at.
Oh. See you later, long fella. Really?
Nice one.
Look at the artwork. Look at that artwork behind that thing. Somebody did a good job. Somebody did a good job with it.
Well, the bird is out here free game.
This place just keep going on and on. Where don't they go over there, sweet? The nature walk, don't they go over there? It's just
yeah, you can do the nature walk. You can if you want to. You can.
Oh, I ain't. What's in there?
You can in there.
That's what oh. Hey, dude, come on, man. I was having a good time. Please don't let it be stinking in here. Dang, look at the elephant ears. They shit it off. Mine ain't came up yet. Dang, look at that. Yeah, it's got a smell. Where you at? Oh. What's up, bro? Somebody else finished. Look at him. Toucan. Son. Toucan hand. You want to cover a bunch of my video? Oh, you getting pictures? I can take a picture for my video already. Damn, he got a nice enclosure. Two cars. Peacock. I ain't mess up with it. I mean, he is pretty. You know what, Sweets? I didn't know that was. I didn't know that was that small. I thought he was much bigger. He's a fruit though. Darn, that thing is pretty. That is crazy. Oh, for real? Where did he be at though? You keep saying. Oh,
way back there, and I'm like, man,
come on, man. Where do he go at though?
Man, I think the people be sitting back there, and he be sitting.
He can go in that hole. Wow.
Yes, you see, they got his bowl right there.
Right.
I be telling him, come out here,
and he be. You just can't see. It's gonna stay warm, man. This is nice. I like the floor too.
I found this place with TJ school trip. I said, dang, they got this high back here.
You found it online?
TJ school trip came here.
Oh, wow. Okay. He went and never found. Yeah, I know a whole lot of this stuff is for the European, but they don't even want us in here. It's gonna make a nice video. Okay, I see all of them got that little place where they can go behind. Oh, wow. There's two of them in there. What did he got? You see that, man? Why is he? I thought he was nailing that wood through there. I don't know what he doing. That thing almost like a banana tree. We got a bunch of stuff in here. Let y'all see. Bunch of stuff. Oh wow, look. Son, look at them. You know what this is? It's a fig tree.
It is?
Yeah. It used to be around because we used to eat them. Everywhere. Son, look at that little blue one out there. You see that one? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, good. That's gonna make it. They got a nice environment. I just don't want to get too close to these jokers. Damn, look at this. Yeah, this holds it a whole lot steadier than I can in my hand. My hand would have been tired by now. I made a wise investment. I just gotta start posting videos at least every week. Damn, look at all these. These are like a desert type of thing here. Sandpiper. And a rough.
Yeah, all of these tropical, like you said, that's why I'm hot.
Oh, okay. And that's probably why they got the little giant. What is that one? You got a nice beard. That's what that one is right there. He's back there. See if I can get a better view for the people. Right there chilling. Look at all these guys. This is like a desert joint. Damn, look at that little one up there. He is communicating with you. That's wild. Damn, man, that guy. We're heading out. Well, at least we got to see the toucan.
Yes.
Damn.
You're doing it too loud.
Man, that's a door right there. Crazy. I get some footage outside, won't you? You ain't never lie. But I guess I got him.
I know you.
Yeah, cause
I know you was trying to get you a video.
Cause you
I seen you.
It's a nice park.
That's it. I like these birds over here too. What we said the last time?
Huh?
In a minute. While Grace is over there looking.
John, look at the fish. They got goldfish right here. Nah, I'm kidding.
Right here for a minute, Grace.
Okay. They got kios too. I wonder why the thing. What is that for? Probably was donated to. I don't know what is in this one, but I think the things are on the other side tell you what they are. You're still the one I run to. You're still the one I need you for life. Man, I spot that thing like a whale. What is it called? What's the name of it?
I ain't seen it on a thing.
I swear that thing like a whale.
Yeah.
Darn, that's a weird looking guy, boy. A weird looking guy there, boy. I don't see no name on him. Gotta be a whale face or something. Gotta call him a whale face or something.
That's him. That's TJ.
Yeah,
That's TJ. What's your name? Do y'all even have? What's your name?
He got a big house by him.
You up there just looking.
Darn, there's another one back there.
Yeah, he got a visitor.
Huh?
Talking to him, I see he back there just looking.
It's another one.
Like these over here, they nice too.
I guess all of them got two in there. That's crazy why they don't got no name on them. Supposed to figure out what he is on your own. Darn, that's a big plant. Darn. Darn, what in the world? Please wait for the other door to close before opening the other. Like a plaza.
Hold on.
So the birds can't fly out. Darn, look at it.
Yeah, KJ.
A pigeon and a crested. So. Okay, so they be back there in the back sometime. Cause I don't see them in this one, in this prison cell. Hey, how much time you got, bro? How much time you got? 20